CES 2020, the Renewable Rechargeable Review. Let's welcome back a friend of the show, astronaut Hall of Famer, Dr. Pierzynski. He's here with the FT Aviator. Let's holler at him.
It's the renewable and rechargeable review with the RSI Guy.
CES 2020, old friends, new friends, but an old friend, Dr. Pierzynski.
I'm not that old, man. Yes, I am.
But he is the Fluidity man. He's the joystick for the drone guy. He's the one that went to outer space. He's the one that goes into human body to repair them. He's a goddamn American hero, and people better recognize. Now, in his entrepreneurial spirit, as you already know from CES 2019, he has the Fluidity stick.
There it is right here.
There it is right here. Let's get a good demo from it.
Yeah, so it's 4 degrees of freedom, controlled by your dominant hand. So for me, I'm a righty. Hold it with my left hand, or I can put it in a tripod or on the side of a chair, whatever you want. But to go up, you squeeze. To descend, you press down. Go forwards, backwards, left and right. And then to adjust the yaw, you just twist the stick. And so the easiest thing possible, I mean, look how difficult it is with traditional controls, two twin thumbsticks. Well, to do a circle with our controller, just a little bit of a stick forward, a little bit of a twist, you've got a perfect circle. And then if you want to do a figure 8, once you get back to the origin of it, you twist to the other side, you've got a perfect figure 8. So much easier than traditional controls. If you want to do an orbit, you just rock it to the side and then adjust the yaw rate to match it. And look at that. It's just a beautiful, beautiful orbit with little learning curve whatsoever. It's just phenomenal.
Now, on the actual unit, you have the buttons that can control cameras?
That's right, yeah. So on the base unit itself, we can start, stop video, take a picture, adjust the shutter speed, exposure compensation, ISO, and so on. You can adjust the responsiveness of the stick from tripod mode all the way up to sport mode. 3 is pretty average for traditional, typical use, and then if you want to get out someplace really quick, you can put it up at the highest levels. Programmable button if you've got an Inspire or Matrice and you want to have retractable gear. Got a return to home and a launch button here, power indicators, and then up here, this is just a real Flight 9 simulator, not ours, but commercially available. But out in the field, you'd actually be able to see our situational awareness display. There are LEDs that show where the drone is on the horizon and its relative orientation. So if you get in an emergency, you can straighten out your drone and pull it back home. So.
All right, now we were discussing a little bit before camera. What are some of the future uses and programmabilities for this?
Oh man, yeah, there's so many exciting things that are going to be happening. We'll be able to work beyond the DJI ecosystem here pretty soon, which is we're excited about. We'll also be integrating with electric flying car, eVTOL aircraft. So imagine being able to fly over traffic to get to work in 5 minutes instead of an hour. The future is here, and we're going to be part of it with that. And we're also integrating with different surgical instruments, we hope in the near future, being able to steer with precision through the human body to go down into the lungs and do a bronchoscopy or maybe a cardiac catheterization, be able to do it flying like a fighter pilot. It'd be really cool.
Because you wouldn't know about being a fighter pilot because you are also one of those.
Well, I've flown the fighter jets, but I'm not a military pilot.
Okay. Yeah. Close enough for somebody who keeps his feet on the ground as much as possible. But once again, we'd like to thank you for your time this year. As like I said before, it's nice seeing a familiar face and somebody to grow with. Dr. Scott Pierzynski.
Great being back with you, man.
Fluidity, command your world.
Right on.
Thank you, sir.
See you, bud. Thanks. See you next year.
Rock on.
Yeah.
Follow me on Twitter @GuyRSI. Please like and follow us on Facebook, RSI Green Energy Network. Visit our website, rsigreenenergynetwork.org. On YouTube, please like, subscribe, and share all the videos. The Renewable and Rechargeable Review.